So this little video is going to be about how crystal healing works. So crystal healing is all about vibrational signatures. It's quantum physics really. On an atomic level, everything vibrates. So everything is made up of atoms, and between the atoms is energy which is vibrating. So everything has a unique vibrational signature. So this table is vibrating, the windows are vibrating, and I'm vibrating, and it's all completely unique to us. So if you put a crystal, which is vibrating, into our energy field, which is vibrating, the two will try and find a common rhythm. So it's called entrainment, and that's why crystal healing affects us so much. So why do they have this unique vibrational signature? Well, crystals especially, in nature, they're the most orderly structure. So their atoms are held in rigid structures. So say, for example, carbon, the common pencil, the atoms in the carbon are in sheets that very easily slide over each other. Hence, pencil carbon is very soft. The same carbon can be held together in a very rigid structure, and then you have a diamond, which is one of the hardest crystals in the world. So the atomic structure of something is really important. So crystals are the most orderly structure in nature, and therefore their crystal signature, their vibrational signature, doesn't alter. It's constant. And that's why we use crystals and quartz in clocks and watches, because they regulate the energy so beautifully that we can tell very regular time. So crystals, if you're putting energy through them, they will cause it to become quite regulated. Now our energy system is very, very different. We are not orderly energy system. So for our energy system, it's like a bubble around us. And within that bubble are the chakras, which everybody's heard about. So the chakras are wheels of energy that move our energy round. If the chakras become blocked or stagnant, our energy becomes stagnant. So a really healthy aura is a bit like you see oil and water at primary school. You do that oil and water, and then you put a piece of paper on it, and then you've got a beautiful picture. But the oil really flows in beautiful patterns. That is a healthy aura. If it becomes blocked or stagnated, or it spikes and the energy is not moving as it should, it goes quite grey in colour. If it stays like that for any period of time, then you will get physical symptoms. So our energy is quite, it's very variable, and it will depend on our life experiences. It will depend on the negative emotions, anxieties, feelings that we're holding in our body. So energy therapy allows us to release that. So our energy system is changing all the time. But that is why crystals are so effective. They are very orderly, and if you put them into our sort of, I have to say, chaotic energy fields, then it helps regulate it. So that's basically how crystal healing works. Crystals, and specifically rubies, have been used in medical lasers since the 1960s because they concentrate the energy so beautifully, and it becomes a real focus stream of energy. Another really interesting mineral is that of shungite, and I've got a bit of shungite here. This is a shungite pyramid, and what they found is that the atoms within the shungite are actually held in a football shape, so very unusual. This is actually almost predominantly carbon. So again, the example that I used, pencil carbon is very flat layers, diamond is incredibly hard. This shungite is actually in balls of energy, and the compound of these balls of energy, they have called fullerenes. And the scientists who found fullerenes got the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1996. And what they've found is that those fullerenes, shungite specifically, have amazing anti-tumour effects. shungite's also been found to be really effective in kidney problems, liver problems, allergies, chronic fatigue syndrome. So a lot of uses for shungite. Shungite comes from one particular area of Russia and is actually named after the village there, Shunga. And the residents in that area have been using shungite to cleanse their water for centuries. So it's an amazing detoxifier as well. And actually you can buy some from Amazon and use it to cleanse your water. So you can try it out for yourself. So the use of crystals in the scientific world seems to really be coming to the fore. It seems to be more and more, and there are more and more projects on the go, more and more research. In fact, at the moment they are researching into a crystalline structure to help humans breathe underwater. So I think science and crystals is going to get really exciting.